introduction. The water which has been adversely affected in quality by the presence of various pollutions is called as wastewater. Leather, oil, industrial chemicals, pesticides, global warming can pollute water. Wastewater from sinks, showers, toilets, laundries flows down the drain.
What is sewage? We know that sewage is wastewater released by homes, industries, hospitals, offices, and other users. It includes rainwater that has run down the street during the storm or heavy rain. Sewage is a liquid waste which has dissolved and suspended impurities. Sewage is a complex mixture containing suspended solid, organic, and inorganic impurities, nutrients, saprophytes, and diseases causing bacteria and other microbes. Organic impurities like human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste, etc. Inorganic impurities like nitrates, phosphates, and metals. Nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen. Bacteria such as Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera and salmonella. Other microbes such as protons, which causes dysentery. The process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. It takes place in several stages.
Wastewater treatment plant. Wastewater treatment is a process used to remove contaminants from wastewater. Treatment of wastewater involves physical, chemical, and biological processes which remove the harmful waste material that contaminates water. Let's look at the processes by which we can treat wastewater. Screening is the first stage of wastewater treatment. Wastewater is passed through bar screens to remove large objects like cans, plastic packets, rags, sticks, etc. Water then moves on to the grit and the sand removal tank. The speed of the incoming wastewater is reduced, which allows the sand, grit and pebbles to settle down. Then the water moves on to the next stage, primary treatment. Here, the water is allowed to settle in a larger tank. This tank is slightly sloped to the bottom so that the solid wastes can settle well. This solid waste is removed with a scraper. The settled solids are called sludge. A skimmer removes the floatable solids like oil and grease. Now the water is called clarified water. After this, air is pumped into the clarified water to help aerobic bacteria grow. Bacteria consumes unwanted matter still remaining in clarified water. After hours, the suspended microbes settle at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge. The water is then going to be removed from the top. Activated sludge is 97% water. Sand drying beds remove this 97% water and dried sludge is used as manure. The treated water has a very low level of organic matter. It is then discharged into a water body. Nature cleans it up further. Sometimes it may be necessary to disinfect water with chemicals like chlorine and ozone before it is released into the distribution system.
Sanitation and disease. Poor sanitation and contaminated drinking water is the cause of a large number of diseases. Untreated human excreta may cause water pollution and soil pollution. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, polio, and hepatitis are waterborne diseases. Many of the diseases are formed through water, air, land pollutions.
Conclusions. Public wastewater treatment works rather well. In future, the biggest challenge will be the reduction of nitrogen. Wastewater treatments in rural area has more problems. Situations will improve in the near future thanks to legislation.